What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Matt from My Workshop, and today we're going to take a tour of my parents' basement, but it's also where I make all my stuff. So let's go take a look. Alright, so first up we have my Ryobi table saw that I've had for almost 3 years now, I believe. And it's done me a lot of good, but it's also time to upgrade. Next to that is where I store all of my lumber and some other materials. It definitely needs to be cleaned up. I always find myself needing the board way in the back, so making a lumber storage rack would definitely come in handy for me. Over here are some drill bits, some drills, and other woodworking tools that I keep here. I would also love to upgrade this. Honestly, everything over here I would love to upgrade, but we're starting over on some other spots over there in the desk area, but you'll see that in a second. Over here is where I store all my clamps for now and some temporary projects that we're working on. So in this spot is actually the kitchen counter and cabinet set that my parents had when they first moved in, and they instantly took it out and threw it in the basement. I don't think anyone would want this in their kitchen, but it has served my dad as a workspace down here for a very long time. I almost don't want to get rid of it because I feel like it's part of the house, but I feel like we can do something really cool in this area. Alright, moving over here is the 3D printing station. So I have two printers, a CR10S, which is this one, and the CR10S5, which is behind it. Both of these are vented to a window to get some of the fumes from ABS and other materials, and they are both running Octopi to save me from moving the SD card all around. No, I've loved 3D printing since I started the year getting one. I even got two, but they can also be very painful to troubleshoot, which can be pretty difficult at times. Next up is the desk that I have right here. Now, next on the project list is this desk. I have pretty big plans for this. Actually going to build a wall behind it, get some new monitors, move the PC into the desk. Nice finished surface, get a Wired Workshop logo right smack in the middle. Also imagining a camera and audio equipment rack right here to store it and charge it as well. Next up is where I keep some of the painting equipment that we have, which isn't much. Also some silicone that we have laying around. Honestly, just cleaned this out not too long ago, and not gonna lie, this was all pushed up next to my desk, and it's a lot better to have it over here. Right now is where we store all the camera stuff temporarily, but like I said, I want to move this over closer to where my desk is. Also, don't have any charging spots in there. And lastly is the electrical spot. So what me and my dad do, this is how I got started. I started working with him when I was 13, a little bit on the side. And that's kind of how I started working with my hands in the beginning. And that has rippled into everything I do thus far. So we've definitely accumulated a lot of stuff over the years, not just me working with him. I mean, he's been doing this for a very long time now. It's also very handy to have all this stuff because I can't tell you how many times I've needed something. It's like, oh, let me just add an outlet real quick. I have the wire, I have all the material to do it. It's great to have. All right, guys, that's the tour of the shop. There's gonna be plenty more to come. Like I said before, this whole area is gonna be changed out with the wall, new monitors, new desk. Got a data storage area over there, some camera and audio equipment gonna be put over there. We're also gonna be live on YouTube and Twitch weekly, and also have a alien tank in the works, gonna be finished up really soon. If you guys wanna see more, be sure to like and subscribe.